In this presentation, we are going to start a new chapter, codes. This channel is all about to help you in all your exams related to GATE, ES, PSUs or any diploma or bachelor engineering courses. When numbers or letters or any text characters, these are represented by a specific group of symbols, it is said that the number, letter or word is being encoded, or we can say these group of symbols by which we are representing these numbers, letters and texts, these are called codes. So here is the classification of codes. There are many type of codes we'll study in this chapter. First is weighted codes. Weighted codes, for example, binary codes. Another is 8421 code. Weighted code means these numbers have their positional values, their weights. For example, any binary number A0, A1, A2, A3. These numbers have positional values. This have positional value 1, position value of this A1 is 2, this is 4, this is 8. So we calculate these numbers according to their weights, their positional values. So these are the weighted codes. Now non-weighting codes means these codes have no positional value. These codes have no positional values, no weights. So example for these codes are gray code. Another is XS3 code. These are the non-weighted codes. They don't have any positional values. Now next is self-complementing codes. For example, 2421 code and XS3 code. These are the self-complementing codes. Means when we write these codes, then 9 will be the complement of 0, 8 will be the complement of 1, 7 will be the complement of 2. Let us see. This is the table. For example, this is decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll take the example of XS3 code. XS3 code for this one is 0011. One zero zero 101 1010 1011 and 1100. XS3 means 3 has been added to the number. So this is the equivalent XS3 code for these numbers. So now we'll see, is it self-complementing codes? When we observe this 9 is the complement of 0. How is it is? 0011 and 9 represent 1100. So this is the complement of this 0. Now we'll see this 8 is the complement of this one number 1 0 here, 0, 1 here, 1, 0 and 1, 0. This is the complement of this 8. So this 7 is the complement of 2, 6 is the complement of 3 and this 5 is the complement of 4. We can see this is the self-complementing codes. So the examples are 2, 4, 2, 1 and excess 3 codes. Now next is sequential code. Example for sequential code is 8421 and XS3 code. These are the example for sequential codes. Now next is the alphanumeric code. Example of alphanumeric code is the ASCII code, ASCII. It stands for American Standards Code for Information Interchange. This is the alphanumeric code. Next type is error detecting and correcting codes. These are the code which are used for error detection and correction. When we transmit some digital data from one system to another, noise get added to it. So noise is the unwanted signal. Hence some error occurs in these. So these codes are used for error detection, correction of the codes. Example for this error detection correction code, Hamming codes. So these are the classification of codes. First we have seen weighted codes. Second is non-weighted codes. Then self-complementing codes, sequential codes, alphanumeric codes, error detecting and correcting codes. That's all for this presentation. In the coming lectures, we'll study these codes in detail. Thank you.